Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your email on a Sweatcoin account. So we're going to update our login email. So first we're going to go to the app. Then next we're going to click on social. Then we're going to click on profile on the top left corner. Then again you're going to click on the pencil button on the top right corner. Then as you can see there's the email section. You're going to click on it and change it with whatever email you want. So once you change it, you're going to click on Save Changes. So then your email is going to be changed. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.